Okay.
Respawn.
Hmm? No, just tell me what. Okay.
Oh, remember the funny video that it's like real life, but then he hit it, then like respawn.
Oh yeah. Tung. Okay.
Get the bed now, no.
Eat. Show me your teeth.
I see everybody knows that. Except for Mario Kart.
Hello, Basam. What are we gonna do today? Hey, look at here.
We're catching lizards while it's rain at the letter. We normally catch one or two here, but then I'm not sure if the lizard is here when it's raining.
Basam, how are we gonna catch the lizard when it's raining heavily like this?
I do not know.
Huh?
I do not know.
We keep looking for the lizard, but we cannot find one. Do you think it's because of raining?
I don't know. Okay. Well,
Like this.
we're gonna catch lizards now, but we don't know how we're gonna catch them.
Why you don't know?
Because it's raining, so we're not sure if we're gonna catch one or we gonna see one.
How heavy the rain is?
Very heavily,
Look at the camera.
very heavily,
Too near. Further away.
like we're gonna catch lizards now, but
Okay, do it like
Rain.
this. Do it like this. Go.
we're gonna catch lizards now, but it's raining, so I'm not sure if that's lizard.
Okay, now shoot. Now go.
Okay, we're looking for lizards now, and this is the tree of the lizard. Can you?
Is there any?
Let's see.
Okay, stop.
Why? It's not the end yet.
Tell the camera.
Oh, there's no lizard here. But then now we're going to eat burger. So, we're gonna walk back, and then yeah.
Okay, ready. Boy. Gonna what? You're gonna what?
Time to eat burger.
Find a burger in here. Apa?
Find burger in here. Where's the burger?
Where? There.
Giant burger.
Huh?
Giant burger. Okay, ready? Okay, here is the burger, and we're going to eat it right now. So we open it. Here,
First thing is
burger.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Is it yummy?
The bread is yummy.
Again, buy some more. Big bite. Big bite.
Hello. I'm eating a burger right now.
Are you gonna finish that?
I don't know.
Yeah, we finished it. Good job.